Hi, this is Mahesh Manjrekar and you're watching Bollywood Hangama. Keep on watching.
Now, so something which is I think almost anyone and everyone is acknowledging. Um, Nat Samrat was a huge box office success. The amount of money that it made, I think, was almost like maybe 10 times more than what the investment was. From what I
Yeah, yeah.
which is like huge because the cost of making Marathi films is very less compared to what it is in say Hindi films, especially because the P&A in marketing it involves far lesser amount. Now we've seen like a Sairat which has done exceptional sort of business which was never heard of. There have been several other films which have done like really well at the same time. They've been appreciated. Shwas has been there. There has been Killa which has been there. There have been several films which have come up and which have really taken Marathi cinema to a great height. Like I interviewed Nawazuddin Siddiqui and I asked him that would you like to work in Hollywood films, like say for example the way Irfan Khan is working. So he said that मुझे बाहर जाने की क्या ज़रूरत है? I would rather want to make work in Indian films and in other languages in Indian films, and I would love to work in a Marathi film, for example, because they are doing some amazing work right now, and it has been the toast of a lot of people within the industry as well. What I personally find is that the expression in terms of the thought process is in Marathi films somehow. Maybe it is far more progressive, and there's a lot of depth which maybe is somehow missing in a way, not in a blanket manner, but in a way in Hindi cinema, because in Hindi cinema you have to cater to a lot of markets. तो आपको कुछ कहीं के लिए कुछ डालना है, कहीं के लिए कुछ डालना है, and somewhere वो एक dilute हो जाता है. लेकिन मराठी में वो नहीं हो रहा है because it is focused that this is what we want and this is how the audience may be reacting to it. Do you feel that it is the golden period for Marathi cinema?
Yes and no. Because no, why I'm saying is because Marathi cinema is doing well, there are a lot of unwanted elements which are trying to come into Marathi cinema.
Okay.
And they feel we know. There are so many people from Hindi who are going to come and they say कि हम लोग ये हिंदी का remake बनाएंगे. They don't realize that Marathi cinema is not doing well because they are adapted from somewhere. They are doing because they have their own stories. They work a story.
Absolutely.
It is not a star-driven industry.
Right.
Today, there is not a single star in Marathi who will say that my film will take that much initial. No, Marathi audience can smell a film. I always tell them examples. I tell these guys, you should work in good cinema. Keep your prices moderate. I'm not saying take less, but keep it moderate so that cinema grows. Sairat didn't have one known face.
Absolutely.
And it does a business of 93 crores, which is phenomenal. So why did it do? The subject was nice. Now post Sairat does so many. I've heard of some Hindi producer also कि हम लोग Sairat जैसी film बने. No, they don't realize.
It is being remade.
It is not about no remade तो छोड़ हिंदी में. हम लोग मराठी में एक Sairat जैसी film बना रहे हैं. So it is no formula which works in Marathi. What works in Marathi is good subjects. It is not that love story works or a revenge film works or a thriller works. No, a good film works.
Sure.
So these unwanted elements who come कि हम लोग भी अभी सैराट जैसी फिल्म बनाएंगे या हम लोग भी एक नट सम्राट जैसी फिल्म बनाएंगे, that is going to spoil the industry. But definitely if you have a good subject, like there's a film called Elizabeth Ekadashi. I love that film. Nobody, just small kids. Brilliantly, that film must be made at a budget of not more than 80 lakhs. It did great business. I thoroughly enjoyed the film because the subject was brilliant. And these boys, nobody knew where they came from. It was shot very, very practically, the way I'm looking into another man's life. So, Killa, nobody, no known faces.
Court, for example.
Court, see, again, Court, I don't know, there are people who have loved the film a lot. See, again, how you look at cinema. Suddenly, because it won the national award, everybody started talking about Court. Half of them have not seen it also.
Yeah, I think वो होता है.
वो होता है कि चलो, they jumped the bandwagon कि हम लोग भी इसके बारे में बात करेंगे. But then subject, again, Court was, see, it was that director's style. I don't think he bothered whether the people are going to like it or not. His expression was that, how he wanted to narrate that film. So, But again, it is an effort which is commendable.
Definitely.
He had the guts to do that. But there are so many other films which are coming in Marathi which are going to be path breaking. My Fandry, which Nagaraj made before Sairat,
Ji.
was a brilliant film. So there's a film called Ringan now. There are a lot of films which are coming. Now in PIF there are about 5-6 films in Marathi which are going to be premiered there.
Ji.
So we are in a great space only if we don't have pundits who come into the industry believing that they know what sells.
Correct.
They are going to ruin the apple cart for us.
Correct.
So they are welcome if they want to do films, but then again try to find out what is Marathi cinema. Marathi has a tremendous history of literature.
Exactly.
Udhar tap karo. Don't try to copy. Don't try to make a film like Sairat.
Absolutely.
Sairat is made, done. Don't. I made a film called Me Shivaji Raje Bhosle Bolte years back. Everybody, so many films came. Go, thoda sa Maratha. I said, no. See, that film did well because it had something. Don't try to. People have seen it now. Why do you want to copy it? Try to do something else.
Bilkul.
So, like I today can sit and make 10 films. I've got subjects ready for 10 films, which I can really experiment and explore here. Knowing that I have an audience who is ready to watch it.